This is a disassembly guide for the LG Incite. First step is take out the 4 screws located here, 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 and here. Then carefully with your pry tool go around where the screen and the back come together. So they fit together like this. So just carefully pry around there. Then motherboard sits in here like this. Next step is pull the camera and SIM card daughter board straight up and off. Next step, pull up the speaker. Next step, with your pry tool, go around the edge and pry underneath the headphone jack in the bottom. Next step, most important step, is with a small screwdriver, pry these buttons off where they're glued right here and right here. And then the next step is to pop this guy off right here. This is where the screen connects. Fits through this slot in the motherboard, right there. Then your motherboard comes off. So that concludes this video.